Shemham Farash.
Shemham Farash.
Hail Satan.
Hail Satan.
In the name of Satan, ruler of the earth, king of hell, come forth from the pit, bestow the blessings of hell upon us. For we are your children, and we invoke thee this night.
Guess tonight I'm making deals with the devil, and I know it's gonna get me in trouble.
I sold my soul to the devil, that's a crappy deal. If you came with a few toys like a Happy Meal.
Hag video ka balap ni khadu nila page shapang ka agenda ka banengkong jong usoitan ka balong ban yele percaya Jesus Christ bad ya ka jingai Kristen nila yo i kumno usoitan upendon kam ya kinorwai perthei ban kren ben ya Jesus bad ya kan yam Kristen hagane ka video pat ngin page ya ka agenda ka baar ka ba usoitan lamba ka buj bat ka bor jong u yele ban penbet bat ban pengop yak norway bakin dino yalag mensem syau nangkong tongin kan mau ba usoitan ulalong unong ilam jingrway haboneng hachwa ke jing habno jong anda ula habno syakane ke perthei upen shoy bat usenchar yak ibriu jong ki pateng baper ban yale percha ya ublai hak periden ula penshoy yak im bat yau adam hari klau ula pencoy yau jisu lang balai teli ki aka rukom pencoy bat kawai na kita kecing pencoy jong u kalong da ka baong balada u jisu u kloi bandem ban mane yeu un ai ha u jisu ya ki hima ka perthai baro u soitan ula shisha ban ai ya ki hima perthai yano ki bakloi ban mane yeu namar bakane ka perthai kalong ka jong u Ujisu ru ukubur yakane namar hayonis karar nong dekot lai puai ujisu ukot ya usoitan unong senchar jong kane ka perthei prince of the world but ha ar korin sau kalenong dekot besau la khot ya usoitan ublei besniu jong kane ka perthei kumtang isnuthu ba usoitan ula ban ai ka spa perthei kanam ka borom perthei bat ularu ban ai ki jingle perthong lene ki kam jadu yano kita ki bakloi bandem ban mane yau badru ki bakloi bandi yalag mensem shau artli ki jingkwa jong soitan ka banengkong ukwa ban yo ya ka jingmane jong ki brio ka baar ukwa ban penjot ya ki mensem brio kumta uterwa ya kinegi norway ka spa bat ka jing paunam hangne hasla perthei tapas snyosi kalong kine ki norway perthei ki ngop hak jing penchoy bat ka jing penthame jong soitan bat kumta kila dino yala ka mensem shau tang ban yo paunam bat ban yo spa tomantang in pet mano kita ki norway ki bala dino yala ka mensem shau soitan ACDC kini ki norway ki plahi dalade bagila dino yalak mensem chau saitan na ka banta ka jing paunam unong tem kitar jong kane ka kanhun uong ba usha control lane usha yalam hau mensem ksut haba tem kitar hakiran san beper
ACDC also sings about selling their souls to Satan for rock and roll fame. AC/DC guitarist Angus Young has also admitted to being possessed. He points out that the spirit manifests while he's performing on stage. He says, quote, "By the time we're halfway through the first number, someone else is steering me. I'm just along for the ride. I become possessed when I get on stage."
Black Sabbath ya ke kerteng Black Sabbath la yo na umensem beman ubalami pau ha unong tem base kita jong ke nega kenhun Une umen beman balami pau hau ni unong tem base kita jongka Black Sabbath uyarap ru yaki bantho yaki lyrics nagbanta ki album jongki usoitan upendon kam ya gane kekenhun roi ban penpriang yaki jinghikai jongu
Entry admitted, I was putting upside down crosses on my wall and pictures of Satan all over. I painted my apartment black. I was getting really involved in it, and all these horrible things started happening to me. Butler states there was a weekly magazine called Man, Myth, and Magic that I started reading, which was all about Satan. That and books by Aleister Crowley. Black Sabbath's reunion album liner notes state, quote, Black Sabbath was launched in the U.S. with a party in San Francisco with the head of the Church of Satan, Anton LaVey, presiding over proceedings. All of a sudden, Sabbath were Satan's right-hand men.
Big black shape with eyes of fire. Telling people their desire. Satan sitting there, he's smiling. Watches those flames get higher and higher. Oh no, please God help me.
Metallica kaneka kenhunru ki plahi dalade lengba ki jingroi jongki ba ki ladino yalak mensem nagbanta ka nam bat kaspa
Out here doing these songs, you know, you're still on tour.
I do, but I don't take it for granted.
Why do you still do it? Why are you still out here?
Well, it goes back to the destiny thing. I made a bargain with it, you know, a long time ago, and I'm holding up my hand.
What was your bargain?
To get where I am now.
Should I ask who you made the bargain with?
with the chief commander.
On this earth?
And this earth, and then in the world we can't see.
Marilyn Manson ula di yalak mensem chau saitan na kebenta ka borksut.
Brian Warner, who became Marilyn Manson, described himself as a weakling, a worm who craved acceptance by his peers. How would he get those who bullied him to eventually worship him? Manson stated, quote, as a teenager, I was very interested in selling my soul. Manson witnessed a friend's brother take a knife to his body and gather blood from the self-inflicted wounds. He then witnessed him use this same blood as an offering to Satan for power. Manson recognized that he could invoke Satan's power and enjoy the fame that he so craved among his peers. Manson stated, quote, I could use black magic to turn the lowly lot life had given me around to attain a position of power that other people would envy and accomplish things that other people couldn't.
The Beatles John Lennon ubelong unong roi jongkene kekenhun The Beatles upla ba uru ula dino elak mensem chau saitan. Katy Perry ha kapor bakadang kena ka syairwai haki yang mane baranda kala sedang ban pau kala rwai no haki rensan jong dinong rwai perthai haden ka tukane snem kala kwae ban pau nam shushu bat kumta kala dino ila kemensem chau soitan kenang bakan yo ya kata ka bakakwa.
What's going on in my life at 15, and that's how I got introduced to the music industry. I swear I wanted to be like the Amy Grant of music. Yeah. But it didn't work out, and so I sold my soul to the devil. Sold my soul to the devil.
Une unorway rap lene hip hop, uneru ula plahi dalade, ba uladi yala kemensem chau soitan.
I sold my soul to the devil. I know it's a crappy deal. Music came with a few toys like a Happy Meal.
Eminem uba baro ngiyatip kumunorway rap lene hip hop. Ubala paunam baha la bun snem menta. Uneru ula di yala kemensem. Snoop Dogg Hagaway na kijingraway jong upan pao ya kijingete soskular jong baru soitan. Balada u IT yala de chau soitan. U soitan un ai ya kijing paunam. But kajing im bakut da kajing bahas sudah.
Bring it, hold up. Her voice spoke to me and it slowly started saying, bring your lifestyle to me, I make it better. And how long will I live? Eternal life and forever. Or will I be the G that I was? I make your life better than you can imagine or even dream of. So relax your soul, let me take control. Close your eyes, my soul. My eyes are closed.
Ariana Grande Kaniru Kaladi yala kemensem chau soitan.
How did Ariana become such an evil channel for dark forces, playing a significant role in helping corrupt hundreds of millions of impressionable children with blasphemy and perversion? By making deals with the devil, of course. In her song Side by Side, which features Nicki Minaj, which also has about 1.5 billion views, she sings, Notice that Ariana sings about making deals in the plural. In her video for the same song, she cuts to herself in a black hoodie after referring to her deals with the devil, stating they're going to get her into trouble.
And I know it's gonna get me in trouble.
The song appears to be a double entendre as she sings about deals which include wanting to be with evil people sexually, as well as the dark forces that propel her to fame and fortune.
Kumto ngiyo ba usoitan ula shisha ban ai ya kibriu kanam bat kespa perthei. Ukularu ban ai ya ujisu ki hima perthei balada ujisu ukloi ban mane ya ujisu uklem ngop hagita kichimpat shoy jong soitan. Hanrei ka basnyusi kalong sibun ki nongrai bat ki weide ki briu bapanam bat behes pa jong perthei kila pendem yalade hakamon jong soitan. Kila te ya ka soskular bat bat kumta kila long ki nong trei bat ki nong saki jong uyalam yak jing im jongki hato kidon jing suk habaki yo yak takan am kaspa bat kabor perthei kim yo namarang yo watlada kila yo yak takan nam perthei kaspa perthei bat kabor perthei kimat yak jing chapen smet hakiman sem beman kilongru ki benok mensem bat naganaga daw bun neki ki habban shimno wat yak jing im lajong namar ba kimdon ka jingsuk jingman hak mensem ka jingsuk ka basisha bat ka pendap yak mensem briu baro ka long tang ka jingsuk jong Jesus Christ klem u Jesus Christ omdon ka jingsuk ka basisha ka jingsuk ka ba u Jesu u ai ka long ka bane junom la junom namar kata to jet pi ka jingsuk ka ba kumno pikwa ka jingsuk u soitan ka batang shipor ne ka jingsuk u Jesus Christ ka bayane junom la junom to jit pimantagsi yano pin shakri ladalong ka mono play ha ka video ka bansawan ngin page ya ka agenda ka balay jong soitan ka balong ka jingpen priang ya ka nyam satanism lene ka nyam jong ubaman langba kini kinorway perthei ki bapawnam